India's mobility landscape continues to evolve, supported by the breadth of India's automobile ecosystem. Rising aspirations and evolving mobility needs continue to shape demand. Manufacturing capabilities and technological advancements continue to strengthen the sector. India is strengthening its position in the global automobile value chain. Multiple structural drivers continue to support the automobile sector. Participate in India's automobile growth story. HDFC NIFTY Auto Index Fund powered by India's Auto Momentum. NFO Open from 22nd June to 3rd July 2026. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.